Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can use Python for splitting PDF file into its page, right? So this means that we want to use Python to split a PDF file which have more than page. If PDF file have 5 pages, our program we are going to write will split a PDF into 5 pages, and the technique or the modules we are going to use is PyPDF2. Here we go. Create a file named as PDF underscore splitter, then start to write the following code. Import OS, then from PyPDF2 import PDF file reader, PDF file writer, yes. But just to remind you, if you have not installed the PyPDF2, make sure you install it by a command pip install PyPDF2. Then after, here I specify the path of a file I want to split it into its pages. So path is equal to input, write the file name, PDF file name to split. Then after, fname is equal to os.path dot split text bracket os.path dot base name bracket path, then square bracket 0. After that, PDF is equal to PDF file reader bracket then path. After that, for page in range bracket pdf dot get num pages to get the number of pages PDF have. Then after, PDF underscore writer is equal to PDF writer. So we store PDF writer class into PDF underscore writer variable. Then after, PDF writer dot add page bracket PDF dot get page then bracket page. After that, after getting the page number, what we need to do is to write the output file name. So output underscore file name is equal to dot page underscore bracket pdf dot format then bracket, here is format, bracket fname page +1. Right, after that, with open bracket output file name, read binary, write binary as out. pdf writer dot write bracket out. Then after, we need to print the name of all files separated by our code. So created dot format bracket output file name. Yes, it should be something like this. Then I Ctrl S to save the changes. After that, then Python PDF splitter .py, enter. Okay, now we can see here my CV, which was a single PDF, is splitted into 10 PDF file according to its pages, right? So actually this is how we can use Python to split PDF file by using module named as pypdf2. Actually, that is an end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Just to put a short summary of what we have covered in the session of today. In the session of today, we have learned how we can use Python module named as pypdf2 to split PDF into its pages, right? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for the next videos update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.